Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. A big shout out to all the people who subscribe to our channel. You're welcome to the community. Thank you so much for coming through. Those who have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing so you can learn so many other ways in which you can take care of your hair, how you can style your hair, how you can install your wigs. All these things are shown on our channel. So welcome. Thank you so much for coming through. So in this week's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to install this wig. It's a human hair wig. It's a curly wig. We sell it on our website, zeelions.com. So check it out. So today, this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so keep watching and enjoy the video.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night.
At this point, I'm going to go ahead and clean my forehead so I can apply glue. I'm going to be using the glue remover, Zeelions glue remover. We sell this glue on our website, zeelions.com. So I'll be using this remover, and we sell this glue, wig glue, on our website too. So you can find these both on our website. And I'm cleaning my forehead before I apply the glue such that the glue can stick much better. It sticks much better on a clean surface. So that's why I'm doing this. So I'll let that dry off a bit. And then I'll use the glue.
Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
I'm going to use 2 layers for the glue. I'll use this retro comb to spread out the glue like this, and then I'll wait for it to dry. Once this layer dries, then I'll add a second layer.
Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
So I'm going to use this curly wig. We sell this wig on our website, zeelions.com. It's a human hair wig.
Talk to concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
So I'll tie the edges so the glue sticks. So this is how our wig has turned out. Now, you can create a middle part or a side part, just like the one I have made. Okay, so this side part, I'm going to straighten it a little bit with a hot comb. Now this wig is able to retain curls if you want to keep your curls, or you can straighten it out depending on what you want. You can do it. You can hold it high up in a puff. So you can find this wig on our website, zeelions.com. We sell these wigs together with the wig glue that I used and the glue remover. All these can be found on our website, zeelions.com. This particular wig is in 10 inches, but we have different inches. Depending on what we want, we can always get it for you. It's a human hair wig, so you're able to play around with it for anything that you want to achieve.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do.
So this is how our wig turned out.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice.
Yeah, so this is the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this video. I hope you loved the video. I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.
Got this sweet talk.